Customer brought me their Honda 450 quad, said it's not starting, but it is making a sound, so listen closely. Do you know what that is? Let's figure it out. Here I took the case cover off on the clutch side, so here's the clutch. Up here, this little guy is the starter. And then over here is the gear reductor. And then this is the one-way clutch for the starter. All right, so now when I push the button, we can see that the starter's gonna spin, and we can now see where we're gonna lose power. So these two gears here, they're just pressed together. They're not welded or machined like this. They're just two gears put together. So what has happened is this is worn out, and now they're slipping on each other, which isn't sending the power to the one-way clutch. So we need to replace that. First thing we gotta do is take the clutch and the basket off, and then we're gonna replace the gear reducer and the one-way clutch, because the customer wanted me to replace that while I was already in here. Ugga-dugga time, my favorite time. Okay, so now we should be able to pull this whole thing out like that. Now we can pull out our reduction gear, little dowel pin. We could have replaced our reduction gear without having to take the clutch off, but because the customer wanted the one-way clutch replaced anyways. The old one, you can see it's slipping by the little marks on this back one. It's not supposed to slip because they're pressed together. All right, now we can take this one off. Some more ugga-duggas. Here's our one-way clutch. So I can turn it this way, but I can't turn it backward. This is the actual one-way bearing, and then this goes on your crankshaft, so when you go to start it, it bites and spins it. So we're gonna take our Honda transmission oil. We're just gonna lube it up a little bit, that way it's not dry. You always wanna make sure you put the blue dot up, facing towards you. That's pretty good. We can put our needle bearing in, then we can put our actual gear on. We can put our bolt and washer on. Okay, now we can put our clutch back together. All right, we're all done buttoning up, so let's see if he'll start now. Oh yeah.